how to use offline maps in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can use offline maps on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use offline maps on iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Apple Maps application, as you can find here. And once you launch the Apple Maps app, you will see this type of interface, where what you need to basically do over here is you need to simply go ahead and then tap on your profile icon and you will see offline maps. Now currently in my case, in my region, Apple Maps is not available offline, so I might need to wait for a couple of years more. So when I tap on offline maps, currently it's not available in my region because I'm in a very rural region. But if it's available in your region, then you'll be able to download them for offline use even when you're not connected to the internet. This way you can use Apple Maps offline. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.